All right, let's go ahead and talk about creating a program on daycamp.io. From your dashboard, you'll see this button that says add a new program. So we're going to go ahead and press that button. This form should be pretty straightforward. For example, if you wanted to create a program like Super Cool Teen Center, that's what you wanted to call it, you'd just enter it here. The program name, it doesn't matter if someone has used it before. What really matters is the short name. The program name is how it displays to you on your dashboard and also how it displays on the actual program portal. You can change this at any time as well from the settings, which we'll talk about in a later video. The short name, however, you are stuck with once you select it. So if I were to create Super Cool, pretty much what that would define is it would say when somebody goes to daycamp.io/supercool, they would end up on your login portal. Login portals, there's no option to not have them protected. So as you'll see in another later video when we talk about what the login portal looks like and how to customize it, the access code is what you type in on any new machine before being able to actually access the login portal. So the passcode needs to be at least 4 characters long. It can be as long as you want. So it could be numbers, like you see that I've used a pin in the past. These are all thankfully fake passcodes. You could use anything you want as long as you can remember what it is and as long as you can share it with other program managers or people that might be opening up the login portal on new devices. Then we just ask you to accurately represent where your program's located via street address, city, zip code, and country or region. So you'd fill these in and press create program. I already have a version of Super Cool Teen Center created, so we'll go ahead and check that out. All right, so as you can see, we're back on the dashboard here, and this looks quite a bit different. This is an example account that has multiple programs linked to it. So you can see we have Super Cool Teen Center, which we just created. We have the Hogwarts After School program, and then the Burlington Teen Center, which is fictitious. You'll notice that one of these is not quite like the other, and that's the Burlington Teen Center. This is a program that my account here is just a manager of, rather than being the owner. I can click on any of these programs to get into it and to see its data. So we'll go ahead and do that with the Hogwarts After School program. This is a good example of what you would see with a brand new program where there's no data yet to display on the overview chart. In this case, we do already have users that are registered with the program, and we already have some settings that are set. If you are migrating to daycamp.io from a different system, this would be a good point to contact us to ask about data migration, which is where we can take whatever data that you have and move it into the software.